Bonjour et bienvenue. C'est moi, Nirali, votre professeur de français langue étrangère. Today we would be learning numbers in French 0 to 100. My 3 honest tips for improving your French speaking skills this year would be, from my personal experience, listen as much as possible to this video properly at a loud volume. Make sure the voice is very clear. Second thing is you have to ensure you repeat after me. Répétez après moi. The more you move your mouth, the better you get at the language. And of course, keep repeating every single day. You need to speak and practice daily. It's not once in a while thing. First, zero. Repeat after me. Zero. Un. Deux. Trois. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Huit. Neuf. Dix. Again, encore une fois. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Once again, encore une fois. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9. 20. Next, 20 and 1. So ET is and. So they literally write 20 and 1. So that's 21. 21. 21. 22. 20 and 2, like the way we do it in English also. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24, 25, 25, 26, 26. Sometimes you also hear this as 26, but you can pronounce it either which ways depending on what the next word is. 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30. 30. We'll just take the 30 and then add 1 to it. So 30 and 1. 31. 31. 32. 32. 33. 33. 34. 34. 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Once again, encore une fois, répétez après moi. Keep repeating. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 5 and then they've just added UANTE. 50. 51. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. Once again. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 58. Sorry, 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 60. 60. Once again, répétez après moi. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. For 70, they do not have a word like 70 in English, but they would literally write 60 and 10. So 60, 10, you get 70. That's why you just literally write 70. Now for 71, 72, also ensure that you remember it's 70 and 60 and 11, which gives you 71. So you're going to be following the 11, 12 series for the 70 number. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80. 4 is 4, 20 is 20. So 4 multiplied by 20 you get is 80. So you literally write 80. Ensure you write an S, you add an S in 80. Once again, répétez après moi. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 80. 80 and 1, you will be following the regular one but without an S in the va. 80, 80, pardon, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 80 and 10 is something you've tried to get 90. Once again, allez, c'est parti. 80, pardon, 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And the last one, like the way we did it in 70s, the same way for 90s, you're supposed to be using the 11, 12 series. So 80, which is 80 and 11. So 80 plus 11 is 91. That's how you follow the series. So 91, 92, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, and the last one, 100, 100. Hello. Hope you like this video, and please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want to learn a new topic, do leave it in the comment box. What would you like to learn? Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine.